If you're using Claude AI, you've probably seen two paid plans, Claude Pro and Claude Max. But Max can cost up to $100 to $200 per month, so is it actually worth the upgrade? Let's break it down. So Claude Pro is a standard premium plan at around $20 per month. It gives you priority access, faster responses, and significantly higher usage compared to the free version. Some of its pros: it has access to Claude's main models and tools, priority access during high traffic, and good for coding, writing, and research. However, usage limits can still be hit if you work heavily with AI. Claude Max is designed for heavy users who rely on Claude daily. It comes with two tiers, $100 or $200 per month, offering 5 times to 20 times more usage than Pro. Some of its pros: up to 20 times more usage capacity, higher output limits for large tasks, and early access to new Claude features. However, it's much more expensive and it has the same core features as Pro, just more usage. So is Max worth it? Stay with Claude Pro if you are a casual or moderate user. It already covers most AI workflows. Upgrade to Claude Max only if you consistently hit usage limits or rely on Claude for work all day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.